I love the Lumineers. If you haven't heard the Lumineers, this was like their breakout hit song. Great band. This song is super fun. Lots of people know this song, or at least can easily pick up on the chorus and sing along. And that's the point. The other point is you're bringing your Loog to a campfire because it's small, it's 3 strings, and it's super easy to carry around. If you haven't picked up a Loog yet, you should, and any purchase you make using my code, WilliamDoty10, gives you 10% off your whole purchase. So click the link in the description, get yourself a Loog, it's so fun. This is a perfect time of year to have a Loog. It's summertime. This song has a couple of different sections and a really tricky count change. So if you want to nail this song, you got to stick around for that transition into the chorus coming up very shortly. We're in the key of C, which means we need 4 chords. Ready? C, F, G, and A minor. Let's get into the opening of the song, which is also how most of the verse works as well. We have a C chord, jump to an F, to a C. So the jump, right? F, C, F, C. I would take some time right now, pause this video, make sure you can nail that F, C change before we move on to the next part of the song. This is a huge style of this band, and especially this song. We get this quick chord change, F, C. It comes on the and of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. So there's a lot of ways to practice that. 1 strum, counting, and 1. Cool. That's the whole opening of the song. Ho! Hey! It also is how the verse works. Okay, now that you've mastered the F to C change, we're going to work on the verse. And the verse has 2 different sections to it. First, we're going to continue doing the C, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and, yep, 3rd time, and 4th time, 2, 3, 4. Instead of doing and on the F again, we're going to move into an A minor, 1, 2, G for 3, 4, then C, 2, 3, 4, and. We're going to go over that one more time. Just check it out right here. We got this for you. So we're going to go C, 2, 3, 4, F, C, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. No F. Into an A minor, 1, 2, G, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey! So the chorus, out of this second verse into the chorus, this is where things get really tricky. Remember earlier when I said this is a hard song? This is the moment where it's a hard song. We're going to do the second verse the exact same way with the C, F, C almost 4 times, right? The last time we go C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That'd be A minor, G, right? That last line. You see it there. Then we're going to go to C, and I'm going to count to 2 as if I'm counting to 4. But then the time signature changes. Time signature. Time signature means how many beats in each bar. So the time signature changes. Okay, so we're going to start off like we're counting to 4 after the G. So we go A minor, G, 1, 2. Then it changes. Instead of finishing 3, 4, we're going to go into a 2, 4 time signature. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Wow. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. That is a really unique time signature change and measure, because we're only doing 2 beats of the C into a faster up-tempo 2 beat, right? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Counting is so important, and I encourage all of my private students to count out loud when working on songs or new rhythms. This is a time signature change. So we're moving from 4/4 to 2/4. And we're moving back to 4/4 very quickly. The chorus is short, and it's the one that everybody loves to sing along, because it literally is everyone singing like they're in a crowd in the recording. It's very cool. After the third verse and chorus, we have what's called a bridge. And the bridge is a different section. We have the same chords, different order. We're going to play an F, a G, a C, an F, and a G. Then we're going to play F. You see where it's going. G and C. So we've just gotten into the last chorus, and we've played I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. And then we move to an F chord and love. So notice that we're still doing the 2 count, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going to do that 4 times on an F. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go to a G for 2. 1, 2. For a C, 1, 2. And then back to F for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that all repeats. So this is that part where they go, and love, we need it now. Let's hope for some. Notice that we don't finish the whole phrase. We're now going to cut right back into the chorus. So instead of going F to G, like the first time around, we're cutting right back to the A minor. Da 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 da. All right, I'm gonna work through that bridge all the way through the end of the chorus. Here's how it's gonna go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready and go. And F2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, G for 2, and C for 2, then A minor, G, C. Da 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 da, da 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 da. All right, watch this section as many times as you need to get the bridge. Again, the bridge is right in between the chorus. We do a chorus right into that bridge with the F, G, C combination out of a chorus, and then we're basically at the end of the song. Cool. All right, those are all the parts that you need to learn Ho Hey by the Lumineers. Hope you had a great time. If you're having a really good time, just hit that subscribe button, because why not? We're here every week with a lesson, and I've got shorts as well as long-form lessons here at Loog Nation. I'm so grateful for you as a community to be involved and learning here at this channel. If you ever need anything from me, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, have a great week. I'll see you next time.